Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class I explained the properties of determinants. Today I am giving you the example exercise 4.2. But before going to the examples, first I want to give you the note. It is very important. First one. In the determinant of order 3, that is A1, A2, A3, 0, B2, B3, 0, 0, C3. See here, in this determinant, this is nothing but principal diagonal. The one side of the principal diagonal, the elements are 0. If you join these elements by taking a pencil, see, they are in the form of triangle, right angle triangle. Even though the triangle is present below the diagonal, principal diagonal, but the hypotenuse open upwards. That's why it is upper triangular. It is upper triangular. This type of determinant, the value of the determinant is just a multiplication of elements present in a principal diagonal. This is one type. And in another type, see here, it is A1, 0, 0, B1, B2, 0, C1, C2, C3. Here also the principal diagonal elements, and by pencil if you join, they are also form a triangle, but the triangle is present upper side, but the hypotenuse open downwards, that is it is lower triangular. In this type, again the value of the determinant is nothing but the elements present in the principal diagonal. Note down this. This is very important for theory as well as CT. Second one. In the second one, A. If all the elements in the first row are equal to 1, that is number 1, then apply C2 dash as C2 minus C1 and C3 dash as C3 minus C1. First just note down this. I will explain this when we are solving the example. Then solve. Not only this, if possible, try to get the determinant in the form of A1, 0, 0, B1, B2, 0, C1, C2, C3. If you are applying this column operation, automatically you are getting this determinant, and you know that at that time just we are multiplying the elements present in the principal diagonal. This is the first note. Next, second one. In this category only, the second one. Second one. If all the elements in the first column are equal to 1, then apply R2 dash, that is second row, R2 dash as R2 minus R1 and R3 dash as R3 minus R1. Then solve. If possible, try to get the determinant in the form of A1, A2, A3, 0, B2, B3, 0, 0, C3. So this is a principal diagonal. Join these. As you know that here the value is A1, B2, C3. So these are the very important hints to solve the examples. Now I am coming to the examples. Remember this and please note down this. First one, show that first row A plus B, A plus B plus C. Second row 2A, this is 3A plus 2B. Next one is 4A plus 3B plus 2C. Next one 3A, 6A plus 3B, 10A plus 6B plus 3C is equal to AQ. So this is the question. In this type of question, so first try to write in the simplest form. That means you cannot split because it is a sum of two terms and it is a sum of three terms. If you split, you are getting so many determinants. Instead of that, try to get upper triangular or lower triangular. See here it is a 2A. So when you are writing a solution, first write on the LHS. And try to get upper triangular or lower triangular. See, try to make this element 0. Instead of 2A, try to make this element 0. Already you are familiar in the previous chapter, that is matrices. When you are finding the inverse of the matrix, at that time you know when you are making it a 0, you are going for addition or subtraction. See, 2A is present in which row? Second row. Yes, first we have to write a second row. The same number is multiplied here. 2 is multiplied here and it is a addition. That's why I am writing a subtraction minus 2 into R1. So first I am explaining that operation. First row as it is. Then 2A, as I told you, this will be by pencil. And for your reference, 2A minus, because minus middle we are taking minus. 2A minus 2A, 0. Next, this element minus 2 into this element. See, this operation I am explaining. R2 minus 2 into R1. What is R2? 3A plus 2B minus 2 into R1 is its corresponding element. Exactly above which elements you have. Remove the bracket. 3A plus 2B minus 2A minus 2B. Minus 2B plus 2B get cancelled. 3A minus 2A is A. Like that. This minus 2 into this. So 4A minus 2A is 2A. 3B minus 2B is B. And 2C minus 2C is 0. So this is completed. Now is it possible to make 3A as a 0? Yes. 3A is present in third row. Third row minus 3 into first row. So now I am by pencil I am taking 3 here. Because there is no change in first row. So that's why I am taking first row here. And it is the original. 3A minus 3A is 0. 6A plus 3B minus 3 into this. Then this minus 3 into this. 10A minus 3A is 7A. 6B minus 3B is 3B. 3C minus 3C is 0. So here we got this element 0. If possible, try to get this element is also 0. So it is very simple. 3A minus 3A is 0 or what? That means here we are multiplying with 3. R3 dash is R3 minus 3 into R2. I am writing here. So first row as it is, second row also as it is, then 0 minus 0, next 3a minus 3a, 0, 7a minus 6 because we are multiplying with 3, 7a minus 6a, a, 3b minus 3b, 0. And student, you have a pencil with you, no? So take that pencil, join this. See how they are? They are in the form of triangle, upper triangular. So now we have to multiply the elements present in principal diagonal. That is a cube. See, that is RHS. Like this, with the help of that note, remember they are not in any textbook. So with the help of that note, you can make the problem very simple. Moving to the next example. Write down. One ABC, one BCA, one CAB. These type of examples are for 4 marks in part E. So here if the question is prove that or show that it is very simple and we know that what we have to get. But here the answer is not given. So whatever is given, consider that 1 1 1 ABC BC CA AB. So in the today's class only I gave the note. Now you have the note with you, no? Open that. If all the elements in the first column are equal to 1, we have to apply R2 dash as R2 minus R1 and R3 dash as R3 minus R1. In today's class only I gave this note. If all the elements in the first row are equal to 1. So first row as it is, R2 minus R1, that means corresponding. This is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. If all the elements in the column are equal, we have to apply for row. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. B minus CA. Next CA minus BC. This completes first operation. Second one, R3 dash is R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then C minus A. AB minus BC. Understood? Now for your convenient, I am writing one more step here. A, B minus A. This is C minus A. BC. Here what is common? C common in the bracket A minus B and B common in the bracket A minus C. And remember students, here in the second row and third row what you are observing? See, in the second row 0, B minus A minus B. So this again for your sake only I am writing one more step. 1 0 0 A. Can we write this as minus, taking minus common, minus A minus B? It is BC, C common, A minus B. And this is C minus A. Here I took minus common, B, C minus C. In a determinant, in this determinant, in the second row I am taking A minus B common because 0 into A minus B is 0. In the third row what is common? C minus A. Take common. It is A minus B and C minus A. In a determinant, you can take a common from any one row or one column, not from all the elements. So write down the remaining. 1 0 0 A. This is minus 1 1 BC C minus B. Now these two elements are 0. Can we make this element 0? So you can get a triangle or what? This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. Then what you are doing? One is present, this one is present in third row, this is present in second row. R3 dash as R3 plus R2. We are adding these two. A minus B, C minus A. It is 1 A B C. 0 minus 1 C. 0. 1 minus. We are adding. That means it is 0. This we are adding according to sign C minus B. Now take a pencil. This is a principal diagonal. When you join this, they are in the triangular shape. So we are multiplying the elements present in principal diagonal. This A minus B, C minus A as it is. 1 minus 1 C minus B. Take this minus inside this bracket. You will get A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. And student, after doing the sums, after practice, you only remember the result automatically. So this is how we are solving the examples. Moving to the next example. Third one. Show that 1a square, 1b square, 1c square is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Note on this, students. So again I am explaining very slowly and in a simple steps. First write on the LHS. Keep a paper, pen and pencil also, because sometimes we are writing by pencil some operations. That is only for your reference. Now what you are observing? We are observing that in the first column all the elements are equal to 1. In the first column, if all the elements are equal to 1, what is the operation? In the note you wrote that. See, operation is R2 dash is R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is R3 minus R1. Remember, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. This is 1a square. R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is b minus a. Then b square minus a square. R3 minus R1. That is also 1 minus 1. C minus a. And c square minus a square. Again, the next step is not necessary. For your reference I am writing 1, 0, 0. A, B minus A, C minus A. This is A square. B square minus A square, how you write? B minus A, B plus A. And this one is C minus A, C plus A. Now tell me, student, what you can take common? In the second row, B minus A. In the third row, C minus A. Write on the remaining. 1, 0, 0. A 1 1 A square, B plus A, C plus A. See, is it easy or what? Now these two elements are 0. How you will make it this as a 0? This is 1, this is 1. How you write? What is the operation? That is R3 minus R2. B minus A, C minus A as it is. Here operation is, first I am writing the operation, R3 dash as R3 minus R2. B minus A, C minus A. It is 1 A square. This is 0, 1, B plus A. This is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. C plus A minus B plus A. A get cancels. C minus B. See, take a pencil and join this. Is it in a triangle shape or what? Yes. Then what you are multiplying? we are multiplying the elements present in the principal diagonal. So what are the elements? This B minus A, C minus A as it is 1, 1, C minus B. So what is remaining? B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. But this is not the required answer. The required answer is A minus B. That means here I am taking minus common. Next element is B minus C. So here also I am taking minus common. This minus and this minus becomes what? Plus. So it becomes A minus B. This becomes B minus C and this as it is. So here minus common, here minus common. Minus into minus becomes plus. See, this is it simple or what? Like that we are solving the examples. Moving to the next one. Prove that 1, 1, 1 B plus C, B square plus C square. This is C plus A, C square plus A square. A plus B, A square plus B square. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So here again we have to write the LHS. So write down the LHS. Yes, what you are observing? We are observing that all the elements in the first column are equal to 1. If all the elements in the first column are equal to 1, what you are doing? We are applying R2 dash as R2 minus R1. Next one, R3 dash as R3 minus R1. 1 B plus C, B square plus C square. This is 0. This minus this, A minus B. This minus this, C square get cancels. A square minus B square. Next, R3 minus R1. This is 0. A plus B minus B plus C. B get cancels. A minus C. And here A square minus C square. Is it necessary to split A square minus B square, or shall I take it common directly? See, I am taking directly A minus B common. In the third row, A minus C common. The remaining element is 1, 0, 0. B plus C, 1, 1. This is B square plus C square. See, A square minus B square we are splitting as A minus B, A plus B. Then I took A minus B common. If you are not following, I am writing one more step here. A minus B, A plus B. Yes, understood. I have to take a common. Then write down the remaining. A plus B, A plus C. See, these two elements 0. Try to make this element 0. How you are writing? R3 minus R2, because this one and this one. R3 minus R2. R3 dash as R3 minus R2. A minus B, B, A minus C, then 1 B plus C, B square plus C square, 0, 1, A plus B, 0, 0, this minus this, C minus B. Now join this by pencil. They are in the form of triangle or not? Yes. Multiply the elements present in principal diagonal. But we required A minus B, correct? instead of a minus b, c we want c minus a. Take minus common here, minus common here. This minus and this minus becomes plus. So a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. That is nothing but RHS. Now tell me students, is the problems are simple or what? Yes, they are very simple. Now moving to the next. Fifth one, same. Prove that 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a square, b square, c square. And here again the result is a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. See the students, my suggestion is don't behead this. Just practice and see the hints how you can solve. It increases your thinking power. So write down the LHS. Now what you are observing? We are observing that all the elements in the first row are equal. Open that note. In the note I gave that if all the elements in the first row are equal to 1, which operation we are applying? We are applying C2 dash as C2 minus C1 and C3 dash is C3 minus C1. Correct or not? So what you are applying then? C2 dash as C2 minus C1, C3 dash as C3 minus C1. First column as it is 1 minus 1 0, b minus a, b square minus a square. Then third column minus first column 1 minus 1 0, c minus a, c square minus a square. So before taking common, actually no need to write that, but to make you perfect I am writing that step. B minus a, b plus a. Just applying a square minus b square formula. 0, c minus a, c minus a into c plus a. So what is common? In the second row b minus a common. In the third row c minus a common. 1 a square, 0 1 b plus a, 0 1 c plus a. See, these two elements are 0 means try to make this element 0. How you are making? C3 here, this is C3, this is C2. C3 minus C2. C3 dash as C3 minus C2. Outside B minus A, C minus A as it is. First column also as it is. 1 A square, 0 1 B plus A. C3 minus C2. 0 0. This minus this. C plus A minus B plus A. A get cancels. C minus B. Now students, with you have a pencil or what? So by that pencil mark this, join these zeros. They are in the form of triangle or what? Now what you are doing? We are multiplying the elements in principal diagonal. And we required A minus B, that means minus common. Then we required B minus C, here also minus common. This minus and this minus becomes what? Plus. If you want, I will write one more step here. Minus common, A minus B. That's why I am writing in two brackets. Here also I took minus common, B minus C. Then C minus A as it is. See, this minus and this minus becomes what? Plus. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So this is RHS. Now tell me students, how you are feeling? You are feeling easy or what? So we can solve the example depending using that remark, that is note. If you are thorough in the note and if you know which is a row and which are a column perfectly, so without any tension you can solve so many examples. Give some work for your brain also. It helps your thinking power, to improve your thinking power. shall I give you one example as an assignment for your practice? Prove that 1a plus b, a square plus b square, then 1b plus c, b square plus c square, 1c plus a, c square plus a square is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. See, it is nothing but here all the elements in the first row are equal to 1. Then what you are doing? We are applying our C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. In the next class, I will start with this solution only. This is assignment for you. So I will give you a time. In the last class, I will start with the solution of this problem.